Our hypothesis was, do household detergents affect the growth of plants? I personally think certain detergents have certain effects on the growth of plants. Our materials were radish seeds, vinegar, dish soap, rubbing alcohol, cups, water, potting soil, and measuring spoons.
Our procedure was to let the plants grow for about 2 weeks, start watering the plants with the detergent, see which dies first and what the after effects are. We measured the plants every 4 to 7 days in inches on a ruler. We added a teaspoon of detergent and a tablespoon of water. The data tables show that all of the numbers within the trials range between 2 and 8, while the average is usually thriving at around 25 or dying at 2.
Here you can see that some of the plants were already dying and some of them weren't. Our limitations were most likely the weekend or breaks due to the fact that we couldn't water them during. This may be the main reason they died.
In the results, all of the plants did end up dying. Water lasted the longest as we thought. Dish soap and vinegar did end up moldy. Water lasted the longest with the largest height of 8.5 inches. Next tallest in ranking would be vinegar at 6.5 inches. And third for height is 5.75 inches for rubbing alcohol. Lastly is dish soap with the height of 5 inches. In conclusion, household detergents do affect the growth and life width. Our hypothesis was correct. We guessed that the stronger chemicals would affect the growth and lifespan. Due to this, all the plants ended up dead, but water lasted the longest. The one affected the most was rubbing alcohol, which did not surprise us due to the fact it has so many chemicals in it. The second most affected is vinegar. It is very acidic, which is only good for plants in tiny amounts. The next affected is dish soap. It lasted about 4 weeks before dying on us. Again, this is only good for plants in tiny amounts. Then the least affected was water, as we all expected due to the fact that all living things need water. These are the resources and sites we use.